day 124, and I can finally film.
What?
I'm filming, of course. Oh, it's because it hasn't, it's finally stopped raining for a second. And it looked like some sort of pirate right now. But we're doing 23 miles probably to Katahdin or some shelter. We wanted to go to the Antler campsite, but I don't know. We could easily make the miles here today to do 23. And possibly stay in the shelter or just stay dry depending on how much it rains. So that's the plan. And then we're going to have like one more day in the 100-mile wilderness. And then the next day will be getting to Able Bridge and getting some food, hamburgers, and resupplying for just a day more to kind of the rest of the day and hike up to Katahdin. So yeah, the mosquitoes are really bad today. I decided to not put on any DEET yet, but might have to. I was just worried the rain would just wash it away anyways. But doing pretty good. Decent rain day. My tent's totally soaked, so I gotta dry that out somehow. Maybe set up my tent at camp. It's not gonna really dry too much either since it's not sunny and stuff, but I don't know. It's soaking wet. It weighs like at least twice the normal weight. But yeah, I'm wearing my buff as a kind of like a pirate hat. It has insect shield on it, so it kind of keeps the bugs off my head. And so it's been working well. But anyways, very easy day, very flat, and not a bad day for one of the last few days out here. But that's the morning update. Ahoy, matey. It's day 125. And we're going to a little bit past the Rainbow Lake. Doing like maybe, yeah, 25 miles probably. And then that leaves us with only 18 miles in crossing Able Bridge, which should make for a very easy day. So today is the last big serious day of my thru hike, and going pretty good. The bugs are eating us alive. Put on some DEET, covering my head. It's probably the worst I've seen it so far. Oh, we're managing. And now we have to cross the river. But anyways, pretty buggy and annoying. Slept in shelter last night. Used my bug net to sleep in last night, and they were buzzing around my ears all night. Had a decent sleep still. It was pretty warm too. I just wanted to stay out of the rain and try to dry some stuff off. Nothing dried, but today it's supposed to be sunny and warm, so there's a good chance we'll get to dry out some stuff. And then I'll set up my tent at night, and that should dry, I hope. But whatever, won't matter after a few days. I haven't been showing too much of the trail, just because it hasn't been too exciting. But this is the stream we're walking by, and down here it's just flat, relatively flat, just with some roots and rocks. No big deal. Yeah, it's been like just a normal green tunnel, really flat, and like no like vistas or views, so I haven't really been showing much. But we're down to the last 50 miles of the trip. Impressive. This is our last big day of 22 or 25 miles, depending on how I feel. It's probably gonna be 25 just because it's a relatively easy day. And yeah, so then we'll have 18 tomorrow, which will be broken up by the Able Bridge. Was it place to eat, hot foods, and quick, maybe like day resupply just for the rest of the day, and for Katahdin. So even though it's expensive there, we can at least we don't have to buy too much, so it'll be good. But that's about it. And yeah, it's a good way to finish up, I guess. The rain has been a little bit of a bummer, and the mosquitoes, but it's not raining today, so it's pretty good. Just getting hot out today, hot and humid. Hopefully the humidity goes away after the sun's been out for a while, but we'll see. Hey, you're in my view. I was planning on giving a view, but you know, whatever.
And this hiker trash walking away.
I know. And a mosquito was biting behind my ear. I didn't know they could do that.
What? It's like half of my mosquito bites.
What? The Lakeshore Walk in Maine. That was pretty short lake walk. They tried. There's Katahdin, way up above the clouds. Way up there. Yep. The Cascades. And the bugs. Oh my god. Yay!